Dance All Night by Rose on the ukulele. We're going to go over the chords, then I'll play the different parts of the song just so you can see where the chords go, and then I'll go over a strumming pattern you could use. So the intro is just an F and a C. And then the chords for the verses, the first and the second verse, it's going to be an F to a C, to a D minor, to an A minor, to a B flat or an A sharp, and then an F and a C. Then we go to the chorus. I would dance all night. It's going to be an F, a C, a D minor, a G minor, to an F, to a C. And you just repeat those chords for the entire chorus. F, C, D minor, G minor, F, C. So now I'm going to play all the different parts of the song so you can see where the chords go, and then we'll talk strumming patterns at the end. So the intro. Then you go into the first verse. Got out of my bed today, the sunlight was hitting my face, and two little birds came inside on the edge, and they asked if I'm doing okay, and we talked for a while, sat for a while, and one of them asked me if there's anything I would change, and I didn't know what to say. Then you go into the chorus. I would dance all night, not care about the heartache in my life. Oh, I would not obsess over all the little things I don't regret. I dance all night, I dance all night, Now we're going to go down to the bridge. Dance all night, I'll be there for you tomorrow. You can dry your eyes and we'll laugh away the sorrow. When the morning comes, promise we'll stay forever young. Then you go back into the chorus. That's where all the chords are placed in the song. And now we'll go over a strumming pattern you could use. It's going to be down, up, down. On that second down, catching all the strings. So down, up, catch, down, up, catch, down, up, catch, down, up, catch, down, up, catch. And then for the bridge, it was just all downstrokes. It was just... Or you can keep the same pattern, it just doesn't, really sound the same. If you kept that same... So downstrokes work really well for that part. That's where all the chords are placed. Those are the strumming patterns that you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in another one.
His ukulele course just dropped. He's my brother. He taught me how to play ukulele, and I learned in less than 21 days. And you can too. That's our pitch. That's our mission statement. You'll learn all of the main, awesome, popular, and wonderful, and lovely, and buff and strong and light and free and all the great songs, really. That's what I'm trying to say. You'll learn Somewhere Over the Rainbow, Aloha O'e, Can't Help Falling in Love, and of course, and now I'm speechless over the edge and just breathless. I never thought that I'd get hit by this love again. So yeah, go check out the course. We both look like Jonas Brothers, so we had to throw in a little love bug for you there. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. You could learn ukulele fast, and that's impressive. You can impress the ladies with it, and if you are a lady, you can also impress yourself with it because you are a lady. So, gentlemen and my lady, get the course. You can impress yourself.